Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can make a bulleted list in your designs, images and logos on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so let me navigate to that example design here and navigate to a completely blank new page. So now we have here some blank space. So what you want to do is start with the text tool here on the left hand side, click into it and select add a text box. Then your text box will be added. So let me type in some default text. So to convert that text into a bulleted list, what you want to do is highlight the text box or text by double clicking into it. Then here amongst these text formatting tools, you will see the list option. Click into it, and that is going to convert your text you highlighted into the first bullet point. So now what you want to do, guys, is let me just skip to the next line by pressing enter, and that is going to automatically add the second bullet point. Right, so you can add some text to it and continue by pressing enter to skip to the next line and next bullet point. So guys, if you keep doing this, you will be creating your bulleted list. Now, if you'd like to add a sub bullet point, skip to the next line and press tab on your keyboard, and that is going to navigate to that sub bullet point. And you can repeat that by pressing enter and then press tab again to add another sub bullet point, and so on and so forth. Guys, you can also disable or customize these bullet points by clicking into the list here, and then you will see, for example, the bullet points switching to a numbered format. So if I, for example, highlight the entire bulleted list and select this option list, it will, as you can see, convert it into a numbered list. And you can also change the alignment here, for instance. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.